Good morning all students, welcome. Now in previous lecture 4, we have to discuss that how we will find out the area of segment, and in previous lecture we already discussed how we will find out the area of the sector. Now in today lecture exercise 12.3 we will discuss combination question based on combination of sector and segment. क्वेश्चन में एक सेक्टर भी प्रेजेंट होगा, सेगमेंट भी प्रेजेंट होगा. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया. So in 12.3 basically we will discuss how we will find out the area of the shaded region. Okay, so first example is a circle. Inside the circle A, O is the center, B, C. Here given to you that AC and BC. AC is equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 12 centimeter. Find area of shaded region. So how we will find out the area of the shaded region, students? Firstly, we will find out the area of the semicircle. After finding out the area of the semicircle, we will subtract area of triangle. And we know that angle which is forming in semicircle is a right angle. So in solution, here angle ACB is equals to 90. Reason, angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle. Second, so in triangle ACB, to calculate the area of that semicircle, we will require its radius, but we don't know what is the radius. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACB using Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, that angle is 90. 90 degrees just opposite is the hypotenuse. So AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. AB square AB value find out. What is the value of AC? 5 square plus 12 square. So from here AB square is 25, 144. AB square equals to 169. So what is the value of AB? Root of 169. AB is equals to 13 centimeter. So diameter of the semicircle is 13 centimeter. So AO is its radius is 13 upon 2 centimeter. Here we find, so what is the radius of the semicircle? Radius of the semicircle is the 13 upon 2 centimeter. Now area of semicircle. So area of semicircle, how we will calculate, is equals to pi r square by 2. Pi 22 upon 7. R value 13 upon 2, multiply 13 upon 2, multiply by 1 upon 2 value. Now 2, 11, multiply 11, multiply 169, 7, 2, 2, 4, 4, 7 ja 28. Now you will simplify, that is the area of the semicircle. Now in next we will calculate the area of the right angle triangle also. In a right angle triangle, AC is the base and BC is the perpendicular. So after that we will find out the area of triangle ACB. Area of triangle ACB is 1 upon 2 base multiplied by height. So what is the base? 1 upon 2 base is AC and height is BC. 1 upon 2 multiply 5 multiply by 12, 6, that is 30 centimeter square. Area of triangle we know, area of semicircle we know, then how we will find out the area of shaded region? So in area of shaded region, area of shaded region, so area of shaded region is equals to area of semicircle minus area of triangle, area of triangle ACB. So what is the area of the semicircle? Area of semicircle 11 multiply 169 upon 28 minus 30, that is the answer of area of shaded region. Understand? So students, how we will find out the area of the shaded region? Firstly, we will find out the area of the semicircle. Then after we will find out the area of the triangle. Then area of semicircle minus area of triangle, which will give the area of the shaded region. Okay. Next type question. Next example. O is the center of the circle and given to you point A, B, C, D. Angle at the center is 60 degree. Then how we will find out the area of the shaded region, where given to you AO is equals to 7 centimeter and CO is equals to 14 centimeter. So students, how we will find out here area of the shaded region? If you see clearly that here two sectors are forming or not. First sector is AOB, second sector is COD. So firstly we will find out area of sector COD, then area of sector AOB, then both of subtract, which will give the area of the shaded region. Understand? So what we will do here? So firstly we will find out here area of shaded region. So area of shaded region, which is equals to area of sector COD minus area of sector AOB. सेक्टर COD के एरिया में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर AOB. So firstly we will find out the area of the sector COD. So area of sector COD equals to theta divide 360 multiply pi r1 square. Theta value 60 divide 360 pi 22 upon 7. What is the radius for sector COD? That is 14 centimeter. 14 multiply 14, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3 multiply, which will give the answer of the area of sector COD. 308 upon 3 centimeter square. That is the area of sector COD. Now next we will calculate the area of sector AOB. आपको किसका एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है? AOB का कैलकुलेट करना है. So next we will calculate area of sector AOB. So how we will calculate area of sector AOB? Same, theta upon 360 multiply by pi r2 square. Theta is 60 divide 360, 22 upon 7. What is the radius for sector AOB? AOB के लिए रेडियस की वैल्यू क्या है? 7. 7 multiply 7, 6, 7, 154 upon 6 centimeter square. So firstly we will find here area of sector COD, that is the larger. Then second, area of sector AOB. Now after we will substitute the value in relation first. So area of shaded region. So area of shaded region equals to area of that sector 308 upon 3 minus 154 upon 6, that is LCM is 6, 308 minus then 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 2 then 8 to 16 1 3 to 6 minus 154, subtract, that is the answer of area of shaded region for that sector. Understand? So how we will find out students area of shaded region. shaded region के केस में आपको एरिया कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, ये देखो कि इसमें फर्स्टली जियोमेट्री क्या फॉर्म हो रही है, सेक्टर फॉर्म हो रहा है या फिर सेगमेंट फॉर्म हो रहा है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या करना है, सोल्व करना है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट दैट इज द एरिया 6 2. So area of shaded region is 231 upon 3 centimeter square. Welcome. Understand? Now next question. Next example. Again, that question is based on the shaded region. In a square whose side is 10 centimeter, ABCD is a square whose side is 10 centimeter, AB also 10 and BC is also 10. We drawn here two semicircular beads. Two semicircular beads. Now how we will find out the area of the shaded region if we shaded that part? So how we will find out the area of the shaded region? Firstly area of the square, then area of two semicircle, then both of them we will subtract or not? Both of them we will subtract, which will give the area of the shaded region. But if this question is converted in different form, इस केस में देखो कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, एरिया ऑफ shaded region. So area of shaded region is equals to area of square ABCD minus 2 multiply area of semicircle. But to find out the area of the semicircle, we will require radius. But 10 is the diameter of the semicircle. So what is its radius? 5 centimeter. So for semicircle, radius is 10 by 2, which is equals to 5 centimeter. Welcome. Now area of square is side square minus 2 multiply by pi r square upon 2 cancel. Side is 10 square minus 22 by 7, r is 5 multiply by 5, 100 minus 550 upon 7, 700 minus 550 upon 7, which will give the area of the shaded region. So what is the area of the shaded region? 150 upon 7 centimeters square. So area of shaded region is 150 upon 7 centimeter square. Understand? So these are the question based on how we will find out the area of the shaded region. These are the very easy questions. Now next second type questions देखो, type second. In type second question, इसी क्वेश्चन में और क्या चेंजेस कर सकते हैं पॉसिबल. ओके, अगेन a square is present ABCD is a square whose side is 10 centimeter. ABCD is a square whose side is 10 centimeter. Now here 4 semicircular beads are present. Four semicircular beads are present, then these are forming this type of leaves. So how we will find out the area of the shaded region? Find area of shaded region. So students, how we will find out the area of the shaded region? ABCD is a square. So firstly we will find out the area of the square ABCD. After that, if we see clearly the diagram, that is forming a semicircle, that is also forming a semicircle, right? ये भी देखो सेमीसर्किल फॉर्म हो रहा है, ये भी सेमीसर्किल फॉर्म हो रहा है. क्या करना है? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर में से इन टू सेमीसर्कल्स का एरिया फाइंड आउट करके क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना, विच विल गिव द एरिया ऑफ रीजन दैट एंड दैट. सेम प्रोसीजर वी विल रिपीट अगेन. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, देन दिस सेमीसर्कल इज this one also semicircle, then we will add both semicircle area, then subtract from area of the square which will give the area of these regions. आपने इस रीजन का फाइंड आउट कर लिया एरिया, इसका फाइंड कर लिया, इसका फाइंड कर लिया, इसका, इन सबको क्या कर दो? ऐड कर दो. देन अब क्वेश्चन में फाइंड क्या करना है आपको? एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ दीज रीजन. Okay, so firstly we will divide regions. Region first, region second, region third, and region fourth. So how we will find out the area of the shaded region? So area of shaded region, which is equals to area of square ABCD Now here four regions are forming minus area of region first plus second plus third plus fourth. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ABCD में से इन रीजन्स का एरिया क्या करना है? आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, नाउ एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ABCD. So what is the area of the square? Side square. What is the side? 10 square is 100 centimeter square. Now how we will find out the area of the region first and second? आपको फर्स्टली क्या करना है? एरिया ऑफ रीजन फर्स्ट एंड एरिया ऑफ रीजन सेकंड कैलकुलेट करना है. सो एरिया ऑफ रीजन फर्स्ट प्लस सेकंड. So how we will calculate area of region first plus second? First plus second का कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? इस सेमी सर्कल का कैलकुलेट करना है, इस सेमी सर्कल का कैलकुलेट करना है, दोनों को ऐड करना है, देन सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. सो एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ABCD माइनस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल. इसमें से क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको. सो एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेटेड 100, 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, 100 माइनस पाई वैल्यू 2 टू कैंसिल, 22 अपॉन 7. हेयर डायमीटर इज 10, सो व्हाट इज इट्स रेडियस? 10 बाई 2 5, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5. सो दैट विल कम 100 माइनस 550 अपॉन 7 will come 100 minus, now we will divide LCM 7, then 700 minus 550 which will come 150 upon 7 centimeter square. ये क्या किया आपने? एरिया ऑफ रीजन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड का कैलकुलेट कर लिया. सेम प्रोसीजर वी विल अप्लाई हेयर to find out the area of the region third and fourth. So same procedure we will apply here. area of region third and fourth, third plus fourth. So how we will find out the area? Firstly, same procedure, area of square ABCD, area of square ABCD minus, second is 2 multiply by area of semicircle. So area of square ABCD 10 square minus 2 multiply area of semicircle pi r square upon 2 cancel 100 minus 22 by 7 radius is 5 into 5, same answer will come 150 upon 7 centimeter square, right? Now how we will calculate the area of the shaded region? अब आपको फाइनली किसका कैलकुलेट करना है? shaded region का. So shaded region का कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आपने एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एबीसीडी का ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर लिया, एरिया ऑफ रीजन फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ का कैलकुलेट कर लोगे. सो नाउ एरिया ऑफ रीजन फर्स्ट प्लस सेकंड प्लस थर्ड प्लस फोर्थ is equals to 150 upon 7, 150 upon 7, which will come 300 upon 7 centimeter square. Now we will calculate area of shaded region. So area of shaded region क्या बनेगा आपका? Area of shaded region equals to area of square is 100 minus what is the area of the region first, second, third, fourth? 300 upon 7. 300 upon 7. 700 minus 300 upon 7, which will come 400 upon 7 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is 400 upon 7 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टैंड? सो अगेन इसमें क्वेश्चन में क्या था? ए बी सी डी इज ए स्क्वायर इनसाइड 4 सेमी सर्कुलर बीड्स आर प्रेजेंट. Then find out the area of the leaf or area of the shaded region. So how we will find? Firstly, we have to divide that whole diagram into 4 regions. Region first, region second, region third and region fourth. After that, how we will find out the area of the region first and second? Area of square ABCD minus area of these 2 semicircles. क्या करना है? area of square में से 2 semicircles का area subtract करना है, which will give the area of the region first and second. Same procedure we will repeat here to find out the area of region third and fourth. आपको थर्ड एंड फोर्थ का रीजन का एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. सो सेम प्रोसीजर अप्लाई करोगे. थर्ड प्लस फोर्थ सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एबीसीडी. नाउ टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एबीसीडी माइनस एरिया ऑफ रीजन 4. क्या करना आपको? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एबीसीडी में से 4 रीजन्स का एरिया क्या करना आपको? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, विच विल गिव द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. फर्स्टली यू विल आइडेंटिफाई दैट हाउ मेनी शेप्स आर प्रेजेंट हेयर. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट द शेप you will identify that their sector is forming or segment is forming. क्या यहाँ पे sector form हो रहा है या फिर segment form हो रहा है, उसको identify करो, then apply formula, then you will find out the answer. Understand? Now many more questions present on area of the shaded region. Next question. ABCD is a square then here 4 quadrants are present. The diameter of larger circle is the 2 centimeter and the radius of the quadrants is the 1 centimeter. So how we will find out the area of the shaded region? How we will find out students? Firstly thing, कैसे find out करेंगे? Area of square ABCD whose side is given to you 10 centimeter. आपको side 10 centimeter given है. So area of square ABCD calculate कर लोगे. After that, here how many quadrants are present? These are 90 degree angles. ये क्या है? 90 डिग्री एंगल्स हैं. तो इसको आप क्वाड्रेंट भी बोल सकते हो या फिर सेक्टर्स भी बोल सकते हो, राइट. सो हाउ विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर ABCD में से क्या करना है? 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स का एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है और उसमें इस सर्किल का एरिया को क्या करना है? प्लस करना है. देन यू विल सबट्रैक्ट. सो एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन. So area of shaded region is equals to area of square ABCD minus area of 4 quadrants, area of 4 quadrant plus area of circle, right. एरिया ऑफ 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स ऐड करना है सर्किल में और फिर किसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है आपको? एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर में से. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर? साइड स्क्वायर. 4 क्वाड्रेंट्स का एरिया क्या होगा? पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4, पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4, पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 एंड पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 प्लस व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल? पाई r1 स्क्वायर. साइड स्क्वायर minus that form pi r square plus pi r1 square. Here radius 1 centimeter and r1 also. R1 is the radius of the central circle. So diameter क्या given आपको? 2 centimeter. So what is its radius? Radius will come 1 centimeter. Substitute values 10 square minus pi common means 22/7 common ले लिया आपने. So inside क्या रहा? 1 plus 1. So what is the area of the shaded region? 100 minus 22/7 into 2. 100 minus 44/7. 700 minus 44/7, which will give the 656/7 centimeter square. That is the area of the shaded region. Understand? So students, in today's lecture we discussed that how we will find out the area of the shaded region. These are the questions of exercise 12.3. So firstly you will try to do the examples of exercise 12.3, then after you will go through the exercise 12.3. Okay, next lecture we will discuss the different and hot based question of exercise 12.3. Thank you.